join me. Nitesh, how are you? Welcome to BIM Summit.
Yeah, thank you. Really enjoyed myself so far and looking forward to the rest of the day.
Fantastic. You spoke earlier and you're also on a panel. Tell us about you spoke about.
Well, we were talking about how water companies, and more specifically Severn Trent, my employer, how we are preparing ourselves to sort of deliver our most ambitious, our biggest ever investment in capital infrastructure. We call it AMP8. It's our eighth regulatory price control period for investments. It's our biggest ever, doubling or some cases tripling the size of investment that we previously made without access to infinite resource. So how do we bridge that gap and deliver our biggest and the most successful AMP ever? And one of the key levers there is digital transformation. So my talk a little earlier was all about how we are embracing digital transformation and some early benefits that we are seeing, how we're learning from some other industries to accelerate our roadmap towards achieving success in this space.
And what role has digital transformation played for Severn Trent as a whole?
Well, as a whole, many areas to talk about, and we won't have that much time. I'll draw specific examples from our capital business. We have been able to make smarter investment choices, leveraging existing data that exists and open source data. Where should we invest? What's worth investing? How much is it going to cost us? What will the outcome look like? So it's allowed us to make smarter investment decisions, and then going on to being able to generate designs where we can guarantee by design that the assets that we are building for the future are going to be affordable assets, are going to be of high quality. They will be sort of delivering the right outputs for a long period of time, and they will be constructible. So we're able to articulate that sentiment of guaranteeing by design. And then we move on into the construction space where we're really targeting the productivity gap in the construction sector by leveraging digital transformation.
I think this is a fantastic opportunity at the BIM Summit to have this conversation about digital transformation.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, BIM coupled with principles of lean is, I think, there never is a golden nugget, there never is a silver bullet as such, but if there was something that will really accelerate and catapult you into that desired state, BIM and lean principles coming together is that, and a summit like this dedicated to BIM thinking and going beyond is a fantastic opportunity. It creates the right talking points, brings people together, some fascinating talks to inspire each other, but also the conversations that happen on the sidelines where a conversation can all of a sudden result in an idea, an innovation, a partnership, which can be game-changing.
Fantastic. I'm going to ask you one final question now. Same question I asked Norman. What's one thing you've learned here today at the BIM Summit?
One thing that I've learned is that there is a lot to do, but it is closer than you think it is. It's with the right intent, with the right leadership and personal accountability. Individuals can drive that change, and actually, it might seem that ambition, that dream might seem too far, but when you have a go at it, it is fairly accessible.
And Nitesh, thank you very much.